You can conveniently put an on-off switch for just about anything with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. This is a power switch. It's a tabletop switch, and this is an awesome, convenient way to be able to turn pretty much anything on or off that plugs into the wall. This can be used actually for lamps that are sitting on your nightstand. Maybe the switch isn't very easy to reach. Maybe you gotta reach up by the bulb and turn the little switch. You can use these on floor lamps. Maybe you have other appliances that you want to turn off, that humidifier that might be sitting on the floor. This switch is really unique. You can see how the cable here is braided nylon, and so it should be pretty durable. It's got a nice color to it. You can actually get this switch in different colors, and this is 6 feet long. Now, this end right here is just a plug extension, an outlet extension, 3-prong grounded outlet, and you plug this into the outlet, and then you plug your device into this. For me, I'm planning on using it with a lamp, but like I said, you can use it with just about anything. Now, on the other end, you have this little switch here, and you can see here, it's kind of like a very small hockey puck plastic, and what it has here is a little key mod hole right there, so you can put a screw into the wall and then attach this so it can be up on the wall. If you want to use it like a light switch as you're heading in and out of a room, you can do that, but you can just put it on your desk or your nightstand or table, and this white piece right here is a soft silicone, so it should stay wherever you put it, nice and securely. And then what you can see here is the top has just a little radius. It's just a little curved, but this button right here will click, and so you don't have to put a lot of pressure on it, but you probably won't inadvertently hit it because it's nice and flush as well. So I plan to use this with my floor lamp in my office so that I can turn on a light while I'm working just by pressing this little button. It doesn't get any easier than this to install, so let's try it out. All right, I'm sitting at my desk here, and I've gone ahead and attached the switch to my desk lamp, and I want to show it to you because it's kind of a unique situation, but I don't think it's so unique that other people won't have a need for it. But I'm sitting at my desk, and my lights are behind me. You can see my shadow here blocking my work area, and so sometimes if I'm reading something here, even though my office is really well lit otherwise, it's my body that's making this area dark. Now, I have put a lamp way up here that shines light down on my workspace. But as you can see, I have to actually stand up to get to the power switch because of the way this lamp is designed. But I really wanted a switch right down here so I could turn the lamp on and off without having to stand up. So if I hit this, look at that, the light goes on. And if I hit it again, light goes off. So I can absolutely light up my work area here with this switch. And it makes it so much easier. Now, this might seem like a trivial setup to you, but if you have a floor lamp and you want to be able to turn it on and off from your nightstand, your bed, or something like that, maybe you don't have a wall switch for something, maybe you want to turn off that space heater, whatever it might be, a little switch like this might just change your life for the better because it's going to be the convenience that you're looking for. So if you want to pick up this $10 switch and be able to turn on or off any power outlet, I'll put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
So much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda.